It is a cold and rainy afternoon. I am walking down the wet street. I am holding my large black umbrella. I arrive at my favorite local coffee shop. I push the heavy glass door open. A small brass bell rings above my head. The air smells like roasted coffee beans. I walk slowly towards the wooden counter. There is a short line, so I wait patiently. I look up at the large chalkboard menu on the wall. There are many delicious hot drinks to choose from. I look down at the illuminated glass display case. I see fresh croissants, chocolate muffins, and cookies. My mouth is watering just looking at them. I decide to get a cappuccino and a sweet pastry. Now it is finally my turn to order. The friendly barista looks at me and smiles.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi there. Can I get a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure. Would you like regular milk or oat milk?
Oat milk, please.
Would you like anything to eat with that?
Yes, I will also have a butter croissant.
Would you like me to warm that up for you?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Perfect. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Can I get a name for the order?
My name is Jilly.
Your total is $8.50.
I tap my phone on the machine to pay. I walk to the end of the bar and wait. I listen to the loud coffee machines working. The coffee beans are grinding loudly. I hear the hiss of the milk steamer. The barista pours the hot milk into a white ceramic mug. I step forward and pick up my drink and the plate. I carry my tray carefully to a small round table. I sit down on a comfortable armchair next to the window. I watch the heavy raindrops sliding down the glass. I take a slow sip of my foamy cappuccino. I take a bite of the warm, flaky croissant. This is my favorite way to spend a rainy afternoon.